Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix RoShade is not working on your PC. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to on search just write run, and here you need to look for %sign local app data %sign. Press OK, and on the local folder here you need to press on one of the tasks here and press R. Right, and you should see RoShade folder here. So what you need to do here is to delete this folder, go back to the browser here, and then you need to go to roshade.com/download and download RoShade here. Right, and then you just need to here skip and download application to your desktop. And once you do that, then you need to enter it and then press install. Right. Then you can set up your keybinds here and then all the things here, and you should install and it should work. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.